Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the OnlyFans website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you are on the home page, click on your profile icon in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and you will notice there's no direct option to change your birth date. To change your birthday, simply add your birth date in the bio section and update it there. Once you have updated it, click save. And that's it. Now you know how to change your birthday on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.